In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add change payment method on eBay. If you want to update the way you pay for purchases on eBay, the process is straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through how to access your payment settings, add a new card or account, and choose the payment method you want to use for checkout. To get started, head to eBay and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main page, move your cursor over My eBay near the top of the screen. Hovering here opens the account menu where you can quickly access several important settings related to buying, selling, and account management. From that menu, click on Payments. This will take you to the section where eBay stores and manages your payment preferences. If you've used eBay before, you may already see Save Payment Methods here. This is the area you'll use whenever you want to add a new option or make changes to the way you pay. Next, click on Add Cards and Accounts. This option lets you add another payment source to your eBay wallet. It's useful if you want to switch to a different card, add a backup payment method, or simply keep your payment options updated for future purchases. After that, click on Checkout. This step moves you into the process of setting up the new payment method for use when you make purchases. Depending on your account setup, eBay may briefly show you a confirmation screen or additional payment details. Now, click Continue. This takes you forward so you can finish reviewing the available payment choices. If a page loads with multiple options, just give it a moment and make sure you're selecting the one that matches the method you want to use. Finally, select the payment method you like. Choose the card or account you want to add or use going forward. Once selected, eBay will typically save that choice to your account so it can be used during future checkouts. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to double check that your billing details are current before saving any payment method. That can help avoid issues during checkout later. And if you ever want to switch again, you can return to the same payment section and repeat this process. That's it. You've now learned how to add or change your payment method on eBay.